Everyone talks about how exciting it is to move to North Carolina, the fresh start, the sunshine, the promise of a better life. But nobody talks about the part that happens at 2 a.m. You're lying in bed, staring at the ceiling, and your mind won't shut off. Am I making the right choice? What if I hate it there? What if I sell my house, move across the country, and regret everything? Your heart's pounding, your brain spinning through 800 what ifs, and your phone's open to Zillow, even though you swore you'd stop checking. You want to be excited, but right now, yeah, you're exhausted and scared, and nobody seems to understand just how big this move feels. Let me tell you something. You are not crazy for feeling that way. You're not weak, and you're not indecisive. You're just human. And this move, it's not just boxes and addresses, it's your life pivoting. I help people through this every single day. And I promise there's a way to make this move not only easier, but empowering. See, relocation isn't just a real estate transaction, it's a full emotional reset. You're leaving behind your favorite coffee shop, your Saturday routines, maybe even family dinners. And on top of that, you're trying to make six-figure decisions about houses that potentially you've never stepped foot in. No wonder you feel paralyzed. But this is where I come in because what you really need isn't more listings, it's clarity, confidence, and someone to filter out the chaos so you can just breathe again. When my relocation clients start to spiral, here's what we do. Step one, we build a plan, a realistic, customized timeline with checklists so you stop feeling behind. You'll know exactly what happens next and when. That predictability alone takes pressure down 10 notches. Step two, I become your eyes and ears on the ground. I'm not just sending you pretty video tours. I'm in the crawl space, spiders and all, checking insulation, testing water pressure, listening for highway noises and smells in the house, and driving the commute at the exact time you'll drive it. You'll see every inch of your future home through my lens, so it stops feeling like a blind leap and starts feeling like a well-informed choice. That's the goal. Step three, I connect you with my trusted lenders, inspectors, and contractors, people I've personally vetted, so you're surrounded by a team you can trust even before you get here. You'll never have to wonder who's honest or who's cutting corners because that's already handled. I vetted them. But here's what I think really eases the anxiety. We talk through the why behind every decision. Why one neighborhood fits your lifestyle better than another. Why it's worth paying a little more for certain upgrades and skipping others. Why buying here in North Carolina is so different and how to make it work to your advantage. Listen, I want you to know right away that buying in North Carolina is way, way different than most other states. And I don't sugarcoat that. I am totally honest about what to expect. So much so that I made a video called It Stinks to Be a Buyer in North Carolina. It breaks down the wild differences that shock most out-of-state buyers. Things like the due diligence fee, inspection timelines, and what not to do when you're under contract. I'll link it right here and down in the description below. Now, I've walked dozens of families through this exact moment, from panic to peace. I've helped them buy homes sight unseen with confidence, negotiate repairs over Zoom, and give that move-in feeling sure that they made the right decision. So here's what every one of them told me afterward. It wasn't just the house. It was having someone who slowed things down. explained everything, and made them feel like they weren't crazy for freaking out. That's what I do. I slow down the noise. I bring the calm back into your process because you don't have to figure this out alone. You don't have to lose sleep wondering if you're doing it wrong. And you definitely don't have to pretend you're not stressed because I get it. You just need the right guide. And I happen to be really good at that part. So if your relocation dreams are colliding with 2 a.m. anxiety, take a breath. You're not alone. You just need a roadmap. So download my free NC Buyer cheat sheet below. It'll walk you through every step of buying in North Carolina, the timelines, the fees, the strategy, so you can stop guessing and start planning. Because moving here should feel really exciting again, and I'll make sure it does. So I'm Nina Gervasi with Cary Area Real Estate, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.